Alright, so it's been like 10 minutes. Let's take out all the parts from the keyboard and napkin pads. We dry it up. Put it on the side. Put the main frame back. Take the frame piece back. Squeeze it in. Now it's all dry. Now it's time for the hardest. We need to install and besides that we need to take a couple screwdrivers and place the keyboard on it on the most flattest parts. So verify it's all good, no bending over. And now place all the pads. Make sure that all alignment are done, everything is 90 degrees. Just take a seat and look at it in horizontal position. Right here I can see one is bad. Alright, after this, what we need to do, we need to install the board, and we have a backlight. We can disconnect it, but we can just put it on top. Put the cable back to the socket. Be super gentle, not even gentle, super gentle, because all the parts are moving. Gently put cable under it and put the board on top. Make sure do not touch all these contacts, because he will destroy them. Then let's take the schematic pad, place it on top, just like this. Then we need to take rubber band, put the flat surface down, and where the rubber on top, be very gentle with the tool. Just place it like this, and then put this pad just on top. Then we need to use 3 screws to align them. And just place them. Do it with the fingers very gently. Make sure board is supported and everything is out. Cables is hidden too. Then we will take plus Phillips screwdriver and tie them up. Hold the corner of it, tie them up gently, not all the way. connection established. Here we drop some of it. It's all good. Parts all good. Now we'll put backlight LEDs here at the back. Make sure all the cables are hidden.